Being grounded is awful. I wish I could magically teleport or walk through the walls.
It really is too bad you aren't a subatomic particle like me.
You can teleport?
Well, no, but I can perform quantum tunneling. You see, I'm an electron, a subatomic particle. If you were to put me in a box, you wouldn't know where I am exactly positioned because Heisenberg's uncertainty principle states you can never know the exact position and momentum of an object like me. However, you do know the probabilities of where I could be. You can visualize these probabilities in a wave function, so you can approximate my location as an electromagnetic wave moving through the box. Following total internal reflection, every time I hit the barrier of the box, I would 100% reflect off of it. But because I'm an electromagnetic wave, when I hit a boundary, there is a quick exponential decay at the turnaround point called an evanescent wave.
But an evanescent wave only lasts a few wavelengths, so how can we confirm it's there?
Well, if you're a math genius, you could always work through Maxwell's equation. Right, let's look at an experiment. Since light is also an electromagnetic wave, it will also have exponential decay when it reflects off a boundary. In order to preserve and observe this drop-off, you'd put another material close enough to the first so the wave doesn't completely decay before it can meet your second material and continue to travel. This is called frustrated total internal reflection. So, going back to me in a box, as a wave function, which is ultimately a visualization of the probability of my whereabouts, every time I reflect off the barrier of my box, there is a greater than zero possibility I could be outside of the box, thanks to the evanescent wave. This is, under the circumstances, the barrier is thin enough for the wave to travel through before it decays.
So that's how quantum tunneling works. Well, too bad I'm not a quantum probability wave because I'm still stuck in my room, and speaking of which, how is this possibly useful or applicable for people like me?
Crazy enough, activity as small as quantum tunneling is utilized by something very, very large that everyone sees every day, the sun. The sun is powered by nuclear fusion, which requires a lot of energy. While increasing pressure and temperature makes the protons move fast, they still don't collide enough for nuclear fusion. However, with quantum tunneling, there is enough fusion for nuclear fusion. You can also apply quantum tunneling to scanning tunneling microscopy and spontaneous mutation in DNA. Who knows, if you stay curious, maybe you'll discover more applications for quantum tunneling too.
Well, I know what I'm doing for the rest of the time I'm grounded. Bye!